welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make these delicious coffee ganache truffles. They have a layer of caramel on them as well. This caramel sauce is very versatile and I love to make it several times a year to pour over ice cream or make a caramel latte. And it's also perfect this Christmas for a beautiful hostess gift when visiting family and friends. Hi, my name is Cheryl and I offer techniques and recipes for making your own chocolate products at home to give away as gifts or even to sell online in your own home-based business. If these coffee truffles are something that interests you, then let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need some whipped cream, some little paper shot glasses. We're going to make the chocolate cup from these. Sugar, white chocolate, sea salt or regular salt is fine as well. Some espresso, or if you don't have espresso, I like to use this Nescafe Gold. It gives a nice coffee flavor as well. Some milk chocolate and some acetate sheets, or you can use parchment paper. We're going to make the handle of the chocolate cup with these. To start today by adding half a cup of sugar to a saucepan. We're going to make a dry caramel, so it's important to be constantly with this as you are making it so that it does not burn. Once the sugar has all melted, then go ahead and add a little bit more sugar, just a little bit at a time, until it melts in again and starts turning a darker amber color. As soon as it's the nice deep brown color, slowly add your whipped cream. Be very careful as it will bubble up and steam quite a bit. This sauce is just really nice sauce for putting over ice cream. It's very delicious. We're just going to let this cool down. Any remainder that you have after using on the truffles, you can store in an airtight container or in the fridge for up to a week. We are going to make the ganache now. And I've taken the hot milk here, which I brought to just under a boil. And now's the time to add your espresso. And I'm adding 3 teaspoons to the cream. Just give it a good stir to dissolve it. And just pour it over your calates. I have 2 cups of chocolate calates here. I use the milk chocolate, but dark chocolate is also nice. And just let that sit for a few minutes. And now we're just going to gently start in the middle and start stirring until all the cream is mixed into the ganache. I can just smell the espresso coffee flavor, and these are just one of my favorite truffles. To make the chocolate cups, simply fill a little paper shot glass here with chocolate. Just fill it all the way to the top, and you can do a few at a time, up to 10 I would say at a time before you need to shake it out. And then take them and simply shake them quite a bit upside down. You don't want to have too thick of a bottom on here. It's better to fill it with ganache. Once you've finished shaking, just scrape the top and allow them to dry. We're going to pipe the handles for the truffle cups now, and I like to keep some close so I can see just how long I need to do the handle. And it takes a bit to get used to, but eventually you will get it. It's sort of like a backward S. Okay, now it's time to pipe in the ganache. And we want to leave a little bit on top for the caramel flavoring and also for the chocolate shell on the top. So just fill it about halfway full. Next, we want to pipe a nice design on the top to mimic espresso coffee. You can use a piping bag to do this, or a plastic bottle is easy as well. After your truffle shells are all made, sometimes they're a little bit jaggedy around the edge. So all you want to do is heat a cake pan in the oven and just smooth out the edges.